It's 9 a.m. You've got 27 unread emails, 3 project deadlines this week. Your boss just dropped an urgent request on your desk, and somehow you're supposed to finish that report from yesterday. Sound familiar? Here's the thing, you're not actually bad at managing time. You just haven't learned the right system for deciding what truly matters. Today, I'm going to share a method so simple yet powerful that it transformed how I work, and it all starts with just 5 letters: A, B, C, D, and E. If you're struggling to figure out which tasks deserve your attention first, this video is for you. After implementing this technique, I went from constantly putting out fires to actually getting ahead of my work. The best part is you can learn it in under 5 minutes. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get more productivity tips that actually work in the real world. Now, let me give you a quick preview of the ABCDE method. Imagine having a crystal clear system where A tasks are your absolute must-dos, the ones that can make or break your career. B tasks are important but not urgent. C tasks are the nice-to-haves. D tasks are perfect for delegation. And D tasks, those are the ones you should eliminate altogether. Now that you understand the ABCDE system, let's talk about how to actually make this work in your daily life. The key is to spend 10 minutes every evening planning for tomorrow. I know what you're thinking, another task to add to my list? But trust me, these 10 minutes will save you hours of confusion and stress the next day. You can use any tool you're comfortable with, whether that's a simple notebook, your phone's notes app, or project management software like Asana or Trello. What matters isn't the tool, but the consistency. Personally, I use a digital system during the workday and then transfer my major tasks to a paper notebook each evening. This gives me both flexibility and focus. Here's a pro tip that changed everything for me: don't try to categorize tasks as they come in. Instead, collect everything in a single inbox throughout the day, then sort it all at once during your evening planning session. This prevents constant context switching and keeps you focused on your current A tasks. And what about those unexpected tasks that pop up? Here's my rule of thumb: if it would take less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. If it's longer, add it to your inbox and categorize it during your next planning session. Unless of course it's a genuine emergency, in which case reassess your current A tasks and adjust accordingly. Remember, this system is meant to serve you, not stress you out. If you find yourself with too many A tasks, that's a sign you need to have a conversation with your manager about priorities or deadlines. Better to have that conversation early than to miss multiple deadlines because you were trying to do the impossible. This brings us to the end of today's video, but your journey with the ABCDE method is just the beginning. I want you to try this system for just 1 week. Start tonight. Take 10 minutes before you finish work. Write down everything you need to do tomorrow, and categorize each task with the letters A, B, C, D, or E. Then come back to this video and let me know in the comments how it changed your workday. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more practical productivity tips that will help you work smarter, not harder. I create new content every month focused on real-world solutions for busy professionals like you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until the next time.